trying to get fit as a 6'8", soon-to-be dad of 2, so I don't throw my back out playing with my kids. Hi, I'm Stu, and my goal is to post here consistently, documenting my journey to improve my health and physique. A quick baby update. Last week the midwife came over to check how everything was going, and luckily there's no issues. They put a machine on that allowed us to listen to the baby's heart, which was a special moment. In a few weeks, we're going to do our second scan and find out the baby's sex, which we're really excited about. The morning started with a quick trip to nursery, followed by a dog walk. I planned to do everything outside today, but I started a bit later than usual, and it was a lot nicer in the garage. I found a new routine and did a quick upper body warm-up exercise. I'm not sure I'm a fan of these stretches, so I'm going to continue to look around for the next time. I did basic curl, cross-body hammer curls, overhead tricep extensions, and the single one in front of you, but I can't remember the name of it. So if anyone knows it, let me know in the comments. If you enjoy this content, please follow for more. Thanks. Bye.